You can expect a lot from the 2011 Mazda 6. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Mazda prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.